Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you looking for a gaming headset? So, hello gamers. Are you ready to take your gaming experience to the next level? So today we are going to unbox and review a budget-friendly, super stylish headset that claims you deliver crystal clear audio and a powerful bass. Yes, it's the Gamgears Eros E3 stereo gaming headset, and trust me, this one looks like a beast. So watch our full video because this video is gonna be full of sound, style and surprises. Alright, let's begin the unboxing and this budget gaming headset from Gamgears. Here we go. Whoa, it's looking very premium headset, guys. Packaging is okay and minimal. It's clean, and as you can see on the side, it is displaying the headset. On the back, it has had some features, ergonomic design, soft foam earpods and all, some specification, and here is the brand name. So just look at to the design. It's giving off proper gamer vibes, matte finish and big cushion ear cups. Inside it has a foam also, not too much but it's okay. And here's the branding. It is not adjustable, just we have to wear like this. And you can see here it has a subsidiary stereo Y splitter cable that enables solid connections to designed video gaming consoles, and we can also use by this USB cable and this audio jack. Adjustable earphone, we can adjust according to our comfortness. It is okay and budget friendly headset for gaming with RGB color styles. And the biggest win, this is a 3.5 mm of audio jack headset, which means it's compatible with your PC, laptop, PS4, Xbox, smartphone, you name it. Anything, any devices, you just plug it and you are good to go. So one plug and endless possibilities. The design is nice, but the real thing will be on the sound test. So now it's time to plug in and check its real performance. Well, I have connected to my laptop. Look at here, the RGB lightning here, super gamers vibe. So now let's see the performance. Yeah, so the bass are really punchy, vocals are clean and clear, and those beats very tight and immersive. And let's not forget the mic test. So I will provide some sample mic test recording. Hello guys, this is the mic testing 1 2 3. I'm directly talking with my Gamgears headset earphone, and my voice is without any sound filtration and all. So how's the voice, guys? Let me know in the comment section. If you're looking for a budget-friendly plug-and-play gaming headset under 2000, so this Gamgears Eros E3 is absolutely worth it, guys. So about its pros and cons, it has super comfort, great sound quality with punchy bass, crystal clear microphone and cross-platform compatibility with PC mobile consoles, lightweight yet durable design. And the cons is it has mic is not detachable and it is not adjustable headset, but honestly at this price point it's giving more than expected, a perfect choice for casual to mid-level gamers. So gamers, are you ready to level up your sound game with this beast headset? So let me know in the comments. And what's your favorite game to play with headset like this? So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech unboxing and honest reviews.